For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's niece J. Deepa said she will never give up her aunt's Vedanilayam bungalow in Poise Garden. J. Deepa has vowed to continue her legal battle against Tamil Nadu government's attempt to take over the property. Deepa said only family members should be involved in Jayalalitha's private property issue. She asked AIADMK workers to oppose Tamil Nadu government's move to acquire her property. Deepa said grave injustice is being meted out to her and her brother Deepak.
My aunt Jayalalitha never wanted to give up Veda Nilayam house at Post Garden in Chennai. She wanted the house to remain with her family. I and my brother will never give up that house. We will continue our legal battle against the government from taking over the property.
She said Vedanilayam was Jayalalitha's private property and government cannot seize it. Deepa further added that her aunt's house was not AIADMK's headquarters to be taken possession by the government.
The AIADMK is a political organization and my aunt headed the party. It is one of the big political organizations in the country. The government cannot acquire the private property just because someone has worked for an organization. They can build memorial for her in any location but not Veda Nilayam that legally belongs to us.
Deepa said it's unfair on the part of AIADMK government to turn the bungalow into memorial. The ruling AIADMK government in Tamil Nadu, headed by K. Palaniswamy, had decided to convert the posh bungalow into a memorial. The government had issued a notification to acquire the sprawling three-storied bungalow located in the posh Poise Garden locality. Jayalalitha's niece J. Deepa and nephew J. Deepak moved Madras High Court against the government's move. The High Court had asked government to reconsider its decision and declared Jayalalitha's niece and nephew as the legal heirs of her property. J. Deepa and J. Deepak were declared as Class 2 legal heirs entitled to inherit all properties of Jayalalitha. Court order had put a brake on an ordinance issued by the governor allowing Tamil Nadu government to acquire the house. Tamil Nadu government deposited 68 crore rupees as compensation in a city court, enabling it to take possession of Vedanilayam and convert it into a memorial. The government move is also aimed at overriding the claims of Jayalalitha's relatives over the 24,322 square feet bungalow. The Chennai District Administration declared that the property rests with the government after the deposit of 68 crore rupees in the city civil court. Jayalalitha's mother had bequeathed the posh bungalow to her daughter. With Jayalalitha's niece refusing to give up, the legal fight for the Vedanilayam is going to be a long haul.